Actor Vijay Deverakonda appeared today before the Enforcement Directorate in the illegal betting apps probe. He said he was called for clarification regarding his promotion of gaming apps. He also clarified that the ongoing probe concerns alleged illegal promotion of betting platforms, denying any wrongdoing.
బెట్టింగ్ యాప్స్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ తప్పకుండా నడుస్తుంది. కానీ మనని పిలిచింది వాళ్ళకు కూడా తెలియదు మన పేరు ఎందుకు వచ్చిందో. బట్ మన పేరు వచ్చినందుకు వాళ్ళు వెరిఫికేషన్ చేసుకుని వాళ్ళ డెలిజెన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. మనం చేసింది గేమింగ్ యాప్స్కి ఎండోర్స్మెంట్. గేమింగ్ యాప్కి బెట్టింగ్ యాప్కి అసలు సంబంధమే లేదు. గేమింగ్ యాప్స్ అనేటివి కంప్లీట్లీ లీగల్, రికగ్నైజ్డ్ బై ద గవర్నమెంట్, లైసెన్స్డ్ యాజ్ అ బిజినెస్. వాళ్ళకి జిఎస్టీలు, టీడీఎస్లు, కంపెనీలు, ఇట్స్ ఫుల్లీ రిజిస్టర్డ్, రికగ్నైజ్డ్ బై సుప్రీం కోర్ట్ అండ్ వేరియస్ స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్స్. అది గేమింగ్ యాప్. అటువంటిది A23. ఇప్పుడు క్విక్ గా డౌట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి క్విక్ గా మీరు గూగుల్లోకి వెళ్ళి టాప్ గేమింగ్ యాప్స్ అని కొడితే కొన్ని వస్తాయి. A23తో సహా My11 Circle, Dream11, NPL, జుపీ ఇట్లాంటివి కొన్ని వస్తాయి. ఇవన్నీ రిజిస్టర్డ్ గేమింగ్ యాప్స్. ఇవన్నీ మన ఇండియన్ క్రికెట్ టీమ్ కి స్పాన్సర్, మన ఇండియన్ ఒలింపిక్స్ టీమ్ కి స్పాన్సర్, మన ఇండియా విమెన్స్ క్రికెట్ టీమ్ కి స్పాన్సర్, ఐపీఎల్ కి, ఎన్పీఎల్ ఒకదానికి అఫీషియల్ స్పాన్సర్, వేరియస్ కబడ్డీ లీగ్ కి, వాలీబాల్ లీగ్ కి అన్నిటికీ వీళ్ళు స్పాన్సర్ చేస్తారు. ఎందుకంటే
So what Vijay Deverakonda is pointing out is that there is a distinction between the illegal betting apps and the gaming apps, and in this case he's pointing out that whether it's the Indian cricket team, women's cricket team, the volleyball team or the kabaddi team, he's saying they are supported by the gaming apps which are legal, which have a license, which have permissions, which have a TDS, and therefore there is nothing wrong with the gaming apps itself, is what Vijay Deverakonda is explaining to the media there. That they had sought his account details and the bank details and the transaction details as well.
ఇప్పుడు లీగల్ యాప్స్ జియో లొకేషన్ లాక్ ఉంటుంది. మీరు కొంచెం రీసెర్చ్ చేసి ఈ యాప్ A23 యాప్ తెలంగాణలో వాడాలని చూడండి. అది ఓపెన్ కాదు. ఓపెన్ అయ్యి మీకు మెసేజ్ వస్తుంది.
Vijay Deverakonda saying that there is a difference between the illegal betting apps and the gaming apps, and if you want to check out, you can immediately go into your phone and check out whether an A23 opens up here, and he's saying there's a geo lock that will happen, because of which an A23 will not open up in a state like Telangana where it is banned, but it will open up elsewhere where it is considered legal, and it is that category that he had endorsed.
అసలు వాళ్ళకి మీకు చెప్పింది వాళ్ళకి చెప్పడం జరిగింది. వాళ్ళ డెలిజెన్స్ ప్రకారం కాంట్రాక్ట్స్, యాప్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఏజెన్సీ డీటెయిల్స్,
I have told them exactly what I have told you as well, saying that I have only endorsed a gaming app that is legal and not any illegal betting app.
Thank you guys. ఇప్పుడు మన దాంట్లో రైటో రాంగో మన దేశంలో డిసైడ్ చేయడానికి సుప్రీం కోర్టు ఉంది, స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్లు ఉన్నాయి. వాళ్ళు ఓకే అంటే మనకు డిస్కషన్.
There are agencies to decide what is right and wrong. There is a Supreme Court and there are state governments. There is no reason for us to pre-conclude any guilt.
Well, let's go across to Uma, who was telling us what Vijay Deverakonda was telling the media after questioning by the Enforcement Directorate. So, Uma, tell us about this entire probe. It's been on for a while. Several big names have already been questioned. Various other celebrities, influencers as well. In all, 29 are being, spoken to as the ED investigates this matter.
So Vijay Deverakonda appeared today and was there with the ED officials for about 4 hours, and after coming out, he has sought to make that very clear distinction between a gaming app and an illegal betting app, and he in fact told the media channels present there that you are saying that I have been called in for an illegal betting app, whereas no, I have been called in because I endorsed a gaming app that is in fact legal, and he gave the example of A23, which he said is a gaming app that is legal, and he is also pointing out that whether it's the Indian cricket team or the women's Test cricket team, volleyball team, kabaddi team, all of them are supported by gaming apps that are legal, that have a license to operate. They have a GST number and they have TDS as well. So all those people who are endorsing the gaming apps cannot be considered as illegal. And he says they themselves did not understand why my name had come up, but they did ask me for the company name who I had endorsed. They also asked me for the financial transactions and my bank account details, all of which I have shared with the investigating agency, and he believes that the investigators are now satisfied with the answers that he has given. So Vijay Deverakonda, like you pointed out, is he is among the 29 people who are either film celebrities or social media influencers or even TV anchors who have been called in by the Enforcement Directorate, which has filed the ECIR. This was based, of course, on the Telangana police itself filing multiple FIRs because huge numbers of people were seen to be getting cheated because of the illegal betting app. Vijay Deverakonda, on his part, is pointing out that he had endorsed what is a skill-based game like Rummy, the A23 app he mentioned, and he said that the Supreme Court itself has said that a skill-based game is distinct from a betting game and it is not something that is illegal in the country, and he has only endorsed it in regions where it is legal and not in a place like Telangana where the app won't even open up on your phone. Back to you.